Facilitating your team's planning meeting is hard enough without also having to keep meticulous notes on everything that gets said. After a full day, the whiteboard is full, everyone is tired, and you know what comes next. You alone tonight, turning everything that's been said into tasks, parking lot items, and an updated agenda for tomorrow morning. What if you could just hand that part off instead? In our example, I'm going to use Claude, and our Rhythm AI connector is already set up. Day one of planning is done. Instead of spending tonight typing up my notes, I am just going to hand over the transcript from the meeting and ask Claude to review it for me and pull out all the tasks, all of our discussions we didn't get to for the parking lot, and anything that sounds like it might be a new goal for us to discuss tomorrow. Great. So in under a minute, I've got some tasks pulled from the transcript with clear owners, several discussions that we need to add to the parking lot, and a few things that sound like they could be emerging priorities for this session. So I didn't have to type any of this out or stop the discussion in the room to write it down. This is all happening for me after the fact. So let's go ahead and have it log those in Rhythm. Rhythm, capture the tasks on my Q3 meeting. It will show up. Put the parking lot items in. Capture the 3 emerging priorities in our plan builder for Q3. Use your judgment where to put them. Add a placeholder annual priority if needed. Okay, great. We've got everything here logged in Rhythm. Let's jump over and make sure it all looks good and right. We can tweak anything we need to. Awesome. Here's all of our tasks that we captured with some context. Perfect. And let's jump over and make sure the parking lot items were captured. There they are. And last, let's check the plan builder to see. It sounded like we needed a new annual priority, which we should definitely discuss that in our planning if none of these connect up to one of our existing annual priorities. That's good. We've got them flagged here so we can talk about them in the session. Now, finally, please update the agenda on the meeting to reflect how far we got on day one. Need to go in strong tomorrow. Great. So Rhythm is going to be fully updated with a new agenda, all of our follow-up items, and all the discussions we need to have about potential priorities on day 2 based on what we did on day 1. Let's check out the new agenda for our meeting. There it is. All right, we've got our day 2 kickoff. Where to start in the notes, making sure that we've got everything captured for a great day 2. And the best part is I didn't have to stay up half the night typing it all out to get it done. Uploading your transcript so that AI can do the rest does more than just save you time and all that typing. You can actually be more present in the room and facilitate your team to create an even better plan using the AI connector. Check it out.